Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's a great morning. Not for trading, though. Trading is not that good today. I think I had a little deja vu from last time. I was excited about the car and I lost the account. So today, oh, wasn't that great. But, oh. So today, unfortunately, the opening range trade, I bailed on it and I did not win. I panicked. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Nico. Green Machine. Aman. Blaze. Just One Trading. Super Drive Guy. Almighty. Oscar. Bob. Good morning, guys. I bailed on the opening range trade. I feel like my entry was way too low. I won on I had a second group. I copy traded these 4 accounts here. I had some latency issues. Sometimes when I leave Quant Tower open overnight, there's some latency issues, and I never had the chance to restart it. It wasn't that bad, so I didn't want to take the chance and restart it. So I kind of bailed, but I was close to taking the profit, and then it bounced off my order, and that's when I bailed. I just flattened it, and 3 seconds later, it would have won. Like, let's go to like but yeah, my order was way too low. So let's go to a 10-second chart. So you see, I entered, and then it went here, missed me by like 5 ticks, maybe 3 ticks or something like that. And then it bounced back, so I just bailed, and then it would have won on this candle. And these are 10-second candles. So I entered there. I guess it pulled back, then so first I got in, then it pulled back against me, then it went into my basically profit, missed me by a couple ticks, so I just bailed. But I did win on the other group. So this is what it looked like on the other chart. See, the other chart, I had a much better entry right below the range. I did like 19 ticks. Oh well, we move on. I just hope they don't count this as a flip day. They might count as a flip day and it's gonna suck. Time frame is just a time frame. It doesn't matter what time frame you use. I use 1 minute really the most. The opening range trade is not based on time. Amber, I will not be on long. Unfortunately, I have to end the stream at 12. So Alpine way, I'm gonna try to end at 11:45 because Alpine likes to say goodbye for way too long. All right, but let's see if we could scalp on the new accounts from yesterday. So which account was it? 139. Okay. So yeah, I went and ordered my car yesterday. I am super excited. It's gonna be here in July 19th. So right in peak of summer. I did not option in for the bucket seats though. If you trade news all the time, yeah, Apex might deny you. Depends. Depends how you trade. Yep, it's the chalk gray. Am I doing any more live trades today? Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh guys, I'm gonna pull it up because I could just type the code in and I'll pull it up. But yeah, I think I had some deja vu from last time and I bailed on the trade. I'm still pissed about it. I don't do that often. I think the lag kind of spooked me. All right. Where can I input my own car number? Hold on, guys. Okay, Porsche code. I'm watching the market still. Yeah, so this is it. I got the full leather interior with the green stitching. That's $7,000. There's still a couple of things I'm undecided on. I have till like end of April, but he said to try to get him a final by mid-April. So I got everything I want, except there's a couple things. I still am deciding on the bucket seats, on the dial, like the dial. Dial is... There's so many little options that you could add and just... I think I'm gonna do this though. See how the dial changes the color? I think when I remove the fire extinguisher, I think that's... the red doesn't match. So I went over my budget a little bit. I'm at 152 now. Came out to 164 with taxes and delivery, all that stuff. 164,000. Is that a GT2? No. I'm not that. I gotta make $138,000 a month to even think about a GT2 RS. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yes, top secret leverage. I have a track day on August 26th. So I have to put 1,000 miles on the car before August 26th. So that's the thing. That's why I went with this interior, because I watched some videos on it, and I really like the deviated stitching. It really makes the interior. You can't see in here, but let me show you guys a video. So like the seat belts aren't included. So mm,
with the more aggressively designed rear bumper. Okay, leather on the
this is
outside.
the
Let's have a look on
interior,
the
guys. So
inside.
this is like the Carrera T interior.
This one very nicely appointed with an interior that we did not carry in the past. So this is the black leather with Sportex seat inserts in the middle. Again, this interior is specific to the 911T. And then the stitching finished in lizard green. The same also for the instrument dial and the seat belts. A new interior package specific to the 911 Carrera T. One of my personal favorites, especially with this white outside looking spectacular. So you can see the use of black leather on the top of the dashboard. The lizard green.
So yeah, it's the lizard green interior. 170K. That's got to be a used GT3. Obviously used, but you know which one? But it's crazy because this is like what I'm paying for this car is a GT3 price pre-COVID, brand new. Yeah, I optioned for the puddle lights. I optioned for that. These puddle lights. I'm gonna sell my car, Adam. So this is I just ordered the car yesterday. I put $15,000 deposit, and I'm gonna sell my car probably May, June. I'm probably gonna list my car for sale in May, and see what happens. But I'm not trading it in. The trade-in value is not gonna be good. I'll miss the convertible. Did Porsche give me an affiliate link? I did get no sunroof. No, it offsets the balance of the car. I don't. Eventually, I'll get the Targa. The sunroof is like $2,000 too. I would not use it much. After driving a convertible like my car, a sunroof makes so much noise compared to like my car when the roof is down. Oh, like I said, I like this long here. If we break up, unless cause we failed to go down. It's trapping both ways though. Yeah, right into the 200 moving average. But we'll let it play out. Again, new account, don't care for it. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this car. With the things that, the way that things are going, it depends. Because if there is a 992 generation GTS with naturally aspirated engine, I'm gonna get that. Self setter, yep, that's the way to go. You were just upset yesterday. I've been there many, many times where I said I'm done, but you blew an account that was ready for payout. So that means you did something right. That is not the time to quit. That is something you learn from. Let's see if it holds this range. If not, I'm not gonna add till like down here. The ATR is still pretty high. Isaac, do you want me to ban you right now? That is the fastest way to get banned in this channel. Talking smack. Mercedes GT. I've been going to the track for 5 years and I've seen one Mercedes at the track. Because they suck. It's a luxury car, it's not a sports car. Now, if you're talking about AMG GT Black Series, then yeah, but that's a little bit out of the budget. But I always said if there was any car I would get with the front engine, it would be the Mercedes AMG GT. Yeah, you'll never find a bad review about a Porsche. It's a car made with purpose. And I'm not buying the car for other people, you know? Like I'm buying a car for me. So it's like I don't really care what other people say. And then if other people like other cars, I don't really mind that because I think there's a lot of nice cars out there. Yep, same thing at the track. It's Porsches and BMWs for the most part. You don't see any Mercedes cars. You see some Mustangs, Corvettes. I also went to the auto show, guys, yesterday. I got to see some cool cars at the auto show. Hey, 20K payouts, how it starts. But keep in mind, guys, right? So for me, trading is part-time income. Even though, again, now it's becoming full-time, but it's my side income. I don't rely on this money. So using one payout, right? So I'm gonna use 50K for a down payment. I'm gonna sell my car, use that money for additional down payment, and then I'm gonna finance, and the YouTube revenue from ad revenue from YouTube is going to pay the rest. I will pay the car off sooner. I'm not gonna pay it off in 5 years, but um, obviously that's gonna help the channel grow. I'm sure. Um, People love that kind of stuff, and I just gotta get better at creating content, making YouTube videos with cars and stuff, and it's something I actually enjoy too. You ever been to the New York Auto Show? I was there yesterday. Um, I was there yesterday, and it was still closed to the public, but the dealership I got the car from, they had a party there yesterday. There's a lot of celebrities too. There was one area of exotic cars that everyone was hanging out. They had drinks, food. It's pretty cool. But the rest of the show was empty, so it was pretty cool. You could sit in any car you wanted. Um, Usually it's so crowded. My car now, like the current car I have, or the car that I'm getting. Yeah, Dustin, I know, but the one I have now or the one I just ordered? This is the one I just ordered. And this thing looks so mean in person. Yesterday I saw a yellow one, right? It was there for service, but when I saw the yellow one, I knew I couldn't go with black. Let's see if I could scroll up. I'm definitely PPFing it. Yeah, I already got a quote. I'm not gonna wrap the chalk. No, I would wrap it if it was black. But wrap is gonna cost more than paint. I mean, than chalk paint. So oh, I can't even scroll back that far. Jesus, my Discord was going ham yesterday. Jesus, there it is. So this car I saw in the parking lot yesterday. It looks so massive in person. This is a GTS yellow, but the car is pretty much the same. Come on, market. Let's get to like 500 at least. Did I do the factory D badge? Yeah, I did the 911 badge. This is the rear end. But see this tail light? Like I really like this tail light with no red, but it's extra $1,000. I don't know if it's worth it. Like see? subtle change, but man. What exhaust am I gonna put on it? I think Army Tricks. I really liked my Army Tricks on my Boxster. Now I have Fab Speed. Okay, finally, maybe we'll get filled. Come on, man. Well, I have a sport exhaust already on this, so the open and closing of the valves is already an option in this car. That's why I like this car better than the Carrera S. But one thing I learned yesterday, like about, because it's obviously it's got lightweight windows, so it's not real glass. Like tinting them is not as easy. You got to find the right shop to tint that. Damn, guys. So close to taking my profit there. Yeah, I might want to retest the lows. I'm not gonna add for a little bit. I'm gonna let it work. I do have to end the stream at like 12. Well, 12 the latest. But I'll be on tomorrow, even though it's holiday. But we'll do a fun little stream tomorrow. If you guys are bored, you could join in tomorrow. Probably like 10 o'clock, 10:30. I do not recommend trading tomorrow. And Apex extended the sale, so it's not bad. News tomorrow. Why would they have news on? Oh, there is news tomorrow. Maybe that's a good opportunity to trade. There is trading tomorrow, just gonna be very slow. No, the markets are not closed. It's just a holiday. Really, dudes? Their market's not closed. There's no way. The market will be closed. What? Oh, I didn't know the market was closed tomorrow. What happened to my OR today? I bailed on it, unfortunately. What's his date? 328. I'll take a screenshot of it for you guys. I want to watch it myself, actually. So you could see I was up pretty much to target there. So I decided to just close it. But you see, like the latency thing, that freaked me out. I just didn't reset my quant tower. I should have reset my quant tower. But I didn't have time. Something that takes forever to log in because I have so many accounts. But see how close I was? My order was way too low. My order should have been higher, like it was on the other group. Jason, I wasn't planning on trading it. No way. Of course, now it breaks out. Ghost Bear, where are you? You're short. I didn't know the market was closed. That's pretty crazy. I know the stock market was closed. But this is my first Good Friday with futures, so excuse me. So today's the last day of the month. Is it an issue if you scalp? Nope, not at all. Not at all. I don't think futures are gonna be open, guys. The market will be closed for all futures trading activities. Oh, I'm glad I didn't use a stop loss on that trade. $4. I have one more account I should activate, but it sucks because I like to trade the news tomorrow. Dennis, I'm glad. Hope everything goes well for you. But yeah, I'm gonna be on a mission to get to 30 accounts. What prop firm should I try next? Well, if Elite Trader Funding pays me, I'm gonna keep using them for a little bit. Tick Tick is my option, but I don't like end of day drawdown accounts. I'm weird. I want trailing. What other prop firm has trailing drawdown that I could use? Flexi is kind of weird. Try Flexi Trade. Yeah, Flexi Trade. I would be the scapegoat. You know, whatever you call it, the person trying it. Guinea pig. There you go. Why don't I like end of day drawdown? There's not enough of drawdown, so I get my opening range trade hits it sometimes. My funded future is not bad. Yeah, my funded future is an option for me. It's just takes forever to get funded, and for me personally, I'm thinking tick tick. Did you miss the Porsche talk? Yeah. I'll do a stream tomorrow and we'll talk about it more. Tomorrow markets are closed, so we're all gonna be bored. Like I could do a direct account. Test them out. Yeah, I might test them out. I mean, I got nothing to lose. Andre, who you talking about? Which prop firm? Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a short stream. I'm gonna be heading out in an hour. I gotta go somewhere. What about 9/11? Yep. The order is in. This is the car. July 19th delivery. Can't wait till I get my email to log in and track it and stuff. This is the interior I got. So I got full leather with the lizard green stitching. The only thing I'm still undecided on, so I have till it's still April 30th, but he said to give him like no later than like third week of April if I want to make any changes. So I'm gonna try to sit in bucket seats before that happens, and maybe if I have a really good April, I'll take bucket seats. I don't know. I feel like these seats hold you quite a lot as it is. And I'll do like 8 track days of the year. So out of 8 days, is it worth it? I don't know. That's the thing. But they do look sick. Like bucket seats just look badass. I mean, that looks sick. That looks like a true sports car. But then it makes the price of $159,000, which is crazy. Ghost, I already ordered it. I already ordered it. Yeah, they're carbon seats. To buy them, it's like 12, 13 grand. My concern. This is my concern when it comes to bucket seats. Passengers. If I want to go somewhere with someone, they're gonna freaking hate getting in them. I drive in a bucket seat right now, and I don't really care. For me, I could get in and out easily. One second, guys. They are really comfortable to sit in, yes. Getting in and out of them, that's another thing. Yeah, I should. I'll be able to pay cash for it. Obviously, I have a pretty good stash of savings after all these years of DJing, and I already paid for it with 2024 trading, because when I trade my car in, or I sell my car, that's gonna make it more, right? That's gonna make it more. Bobby, but I don't know that I'm thinking about it myself too. Like, price wise, it doesn't make sense to spend that much money on this car, or should I just get this car and then down the line upgrade? Because you still gotta get, like, the first thing I gotta get is an exhaust and PPF, which is gonna be 10 grand altogether. Then I want to get rims, aftermarket rims. Those are gonna be close to 10 grand. So it's like, how much do I make as a DJ? My business, I make five, 6 figures. More than 100, less than 250. Right in that ballpark. Leases are hard to come by. There's no cars for a lease. And why leasing a car like that, the only benefit would be writing it off. But how often do I DJ? Pretty much every weekend, starting next week. So next weekend I also do photo booths. Photo booths is a good, $67,000 a year, if not more. Like 60 to $80,000 a year is my photo booth business. But like next weekend, I'm DJing Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then I'm going to a track on Monday. So like that's 4 days of like craziness. April, I'm working every Saturday, some Sundays. I'm basically working every Saturday for the rest of the year. I have a couple of Saturdays off though, but like late Memorial Day weekend, I'm off. First time, I think. First time in years I'm off on Memorial Day weekend. You use the copy trading quant tower full version. Yeah, but you don't need the license for copy trading. Copy trading is free. It's just if you want to copy trade between prop firms, that's when you gotta pay. Oh no, cash flow. No, no, no. No, if I was just trading, I would definitely not get a car for 150 grand if I just made 130 grand in a month or 3 months. I mean, that's not, that would be way too dangerous. I mean, it's not dangerous because you can always sell the car, right? That's not a car, like I always say, because some people commented on the thing when I posted. Some people said that, is it worth it, this and that, and they don't realize how these cars don't depreciate. Like I bought a Jeep in November, right? So I bought a Jeep Grand Cherokee in November. It was like 55,000 or $60,000 car. I bought it for 36,000. 2021, I think. I think it's 2021, 2022. So like, what, 2 years later, someone drove it for 25,000 miles and it dropped 40% in value. And that's the dealer price. That's what the dealer sold it to me. So imagine what the person got. They probably got like 30 grand for it. And with this car, I'm gonna own it for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and I'm gonna lose maybe 20,000. Maybe 30 at most. Aston Martin, no. You could get an Aston Martin for $95,000. Not a fan of the car, but to each their own. A very, very badly depreciated car. But that's what kind of regulations do you have in Europe about track days? The Porsche guy's always talking smack about Ferrari. I mean, a lot of Ferrari owners don't drive the cars like they're meant to be driven. I think that's the problem. And Ferrari's like a cult, right? So Ferrari is the most profitable manufacturer of all cars manufacturers. So they make the highest profits per unit sold or something like that. But I don't know. Ferrari is just not my thing, to be honest. Ferrari is too classy, I would say. Porsche is in between. Like Lamborghini. I mean, Lamborghini and Ferrari are like, doesn't matter which one you get, it's an exotic, right? A Porsche is not exotic until you get like the GT3 RS car or the hypercars, but Porsche is clean. It doesn't draw that much attention. You had the Gallardo? Really? It's awesome. One of my favorite cars. But the clutch life on that thing is terrible. Wow, this market is not gonna let me take another trade. Come on. This week has been insane chop inside the range. Cash flow, nice. Yeah, unfortunately, my opening range trade didn't work. Well, it did work. I bailed on it, unfortunately. So how many accounts do I trade? Um, it's hard to say because I trade a lot at the open and then I just do one at a time. So I don't know how to answer that question. I change it all the time. There is a free version, so you could try a free version. You could get a 7-day trial as well. So all the features for 7 days for free, and then it's 25 bucks a month for what you need. Yeah, it's not something I show because it's There's videos, maybe not videos, but I talk about it. I just talked about it earlier today. I showed it. Not like full video of it, but I showed the entries, the exits. I showed why I bailed on it. So you could rewind the stream a little bit. But maybe you're just coming in at wrong times because I don't always talk about it, because again, I've lost on that trade twice since November. I don't want to get banned. I don't want to get in trouble for giving out the edge. Obviously, it's way too much money on the line for me to even bother. I've given out enough hints, so if you want to trade it on your own, you can. You can figure out what I do, and then you're gonna have different entries. You're gonna have a little bit different targets. You're gonna trade it a little bit different. So then it's not really, duplicating it. But this is the opening range trade. So if this is the range at the open, right before open, this is 929 candle. I'll place an order there. I'll place an order there. I'll make them OCO. So if one fills, I go short. If this fills, I go long, and that's it. It's that simple. Just show you the hint. Obviously, not every day is going to be an easy range. Sometimes you have to look into other support resistance levels on the left side of the chart. Don't worry about the ATR. ATR is just telling me how volatile the market is right now. All right, finally. Well, yeah, multiple accounts is that why we need the license. Big red candle. His chop is wild. Right here. Unfortunately, I have to do stuff today, guys. So I will not be able to stay on stream past another 30 minutes. I have appointments at 1 o'clock. Annoying, but I just want to trade. There's plenty of prop firms without it. It's just those firms are not going to allow you more than 3 accounts. But 30% is very simple. Whatever you make in your account one day cannot be more than 30%. You make $200,000 in your account, one day can't be more than $60,000. That's all it is. It's very simple. People overthink it. So right now I have $3,700 in this account, right? What is the biggest day that I could have without any issues? Now, this is not black and white, and they actually do let you go over a little bit. But 3,700, you just multiply that by 0.3. Nope. Divide that by 0.3, sorry. Nope. What the hell? 3,700 times 0.3. 1110. I typed in 37,000. So $1,110 is the biggest day I could have with this much P&L in it. So the safe bet, the easiest way to avoid all of this is do the minimum that you got to make on the account. So on the 50K account, the minimum you have to make is $2,600 to get a payout, right? That's the minimum. You can't make less. So 2,600 times 0.3 gives you $780. So $780 is, if you make less than $800 on the account, you will never be over 30%. If you happen to make more than 800, just calculate whatever you made. So if you made, let's say $900 that day, just multiply that by multiply by 3.33. And I even made a video on that. If you go on my channel, you can watch the video. That might be easier to kind of just watch the whole thing so you could understand it well, and then those days traded are not real. That's just a column. You could add columns in the Rhythmic. 1 second, guys. Sorry, I got an email. I'm a busy guy. I need a secretary. Anyone wants to be my secretary? Dr. J, unfortunately, I'm so busy in July. There's no way I could do that. Personal assistant. Oh, business assistant. I just hate emails. Emails are something that I have terrible memory, and I don't know how to keep organized with emails. I don't know how people do it that work in like finance and stuff that have emails all the time. I don't know how you keep track. The threads get all messed up. I don't know. I don't really need it. It's just when I'm on stream, I feel silly answering emails because then I get distracted. For money, how's your day today? I haven't looked. For money, she's one of the best traders in my Discord, killing it. Oh, what the hell is that? Hold on, guys. I just saw something. Oh no, wait, 40. Yeah, 40. So this is a post on Wow, I'm pissed right now. I'm gonna email them. So Apex posted this. I don't know if this is their real firm. I made $48,000 in Apex. And I'm not on here. That is some bullshit. I don't think that's the official page. I'm not even in the. There's no way though that was the top. I wasn't even in the top 20 though. Who? I don't know where they came up with these numbers. But like the list that I got from Nutty and from Melanin Trader Trick, I was 21st. I just don't want people to speculate. TBS they can. They make so much money. Who's TFT? I don't even know who TFT is. A funded trader? That's why I don't trust these prop firms. Yeah, I was gonna say I never heard of them. I've seen their ads. Hold on, guys. I gotta go on that Facebook page. It pisses me off. I'm not even in that group. Oh well. I posted in the Apex Discord to see if someone responds. Let me just let's do the math together, guys, because not February. Okay, so all my payouts are 2,000. So I have one. Oh, you can see that. All right, let's go from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's $48,000, and I'm not on that list. I don't know if that's the official page or not. Could it be single payouts? Maybe. Maybe it's a single. Slaya, can you explain this, my friend? Maybe it's the single payouts. But where the hell is it? So this was posted on hold on, I'm gonna go to
Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and it is that time of the month again. It is time to review the top 10 payouts for the month of February. This is for Apex Trader Funding, and I always like to announce this for those that are new and don't know the most. Now, if I get enough comments that I wanted to bring that up in the last video, I forgot, so I'm just bringing it up. Maybe some of you know, maybe there was a drawing at 110,000. Rakani from New Jersey. Congratulations. I remember that name.
yeah, that has to be single payouts because look, Nutty has like the list. That's not even close. Kanchan. Yeah, so see Kanchan, that's a unique name. So that's a $66,000 payout, but he made $104,000. So, all right, so that's a single payout, one single payment. But yeah, 1.2 million. Oof. Incredible. What kind of car would I buy with that kind of money? I'll buy a Targa 4S and GT4RS maybe. I don't know. Trapping both sides. Diablo. So this is a funny story from the track. Since you bring up Lamborghini Diablo, so there's this guy on the track that I met, like an older guy, maybe in his early 60s, maybe late 50s, but I think early 60s. And he has the Maserati MC20, which at that time was a new car. So I saw him get towed off the track. So I went over to him, like I saw him sitting, and I went over to him to see what happened. Because I didn't know if he crashed or the car broke down or whatever it might have been. I didn't see any damage on the car, so um, so I went up to him and we were talking, and the way I was talking to this guy, it seemed like that was his only car. You know, like I didn't know he had a collection of cars. So we're talking for like half hour, and then finally he tells me like, "Oh, this is my son. His son had a Mustang," and so I was asking him if this is like his first time on track because he actually ran out of gas. So when you go to a track, your gas gauge gets all screwed up because you're pushing the car to the limit, and he just ran out of gas and whatever. So I was asking him if he has any experience, and he said, "Yeah, I had this car." And then he's like, "You know, I have a collection of Lamborghini Diablos." He has like 5 Diablos. This guy that looks like he could either make 100K a year or $100 million a year. You wouldn't know. That's the like cool thing about it. It's like I had no idea this guy had like millions of dollars worth of cars. What a slow day. It's been like the whole week it's been so slow. And like you don't know, like this is perfect for scalping though. So I'm gonna take a short and maybe get filled. I don't mind being in the trade and then working out of it. It's well, doesn't seem like we even have to do that. Quick scalp there. How much was that? I don't even know how much the profit that was. GT3 RS, like the 991.2 GT3 RS is still so much money. And trust me, you're not any faster in the GT3 RS than you are in the GT4. You have to be a crazy driver. The fastest guys are not in the most powerful guys. You should, yeah, you need 10 trading days between payouts, yes. You don't have to enter every day, but if there's only 10 days between payouts, then yeah. Heard it's nice. I sat in the Bentley yesterday. It wasn't the GT though, I don't think. I was at the auto show yesterday. I was able to sit in all the exotics. There was a Lamborghini CN. Unfortunately, there was too many people at it, so I couldn't sit in it. But usually those cars are locked; you can't get in. But yesterday I was at the auto show, private showing, and they allowed everyone to sit in those cars. Well, guys, so this is how things work, guys. Someone in my Discord asked someone, how does Patrick and Matt get free codes for giveaways? Obviously, they have huge YouTube channels. They bring business to Apex, so Apex is going to help them bring more business, right? So it's a team effort. Apex gave me some evals to give away. They gave me 4 evals to give away at my 10,000 subscriber mark, right? The rest of the giveaways, I just send you money, but the 4 giveaways I did on the 10,000 subscriber mark was obviously from Apex. I said that because that was any size evaluation, right? Well, I explained to the guy how that works, and I told him that at 15,000 subs, I'll probably get a couple codes. And I know I gotta go in next 10 minutes, but they just messaged me and they gave me a 300K evaluation code. So you guys ready? We're gonna enter into this giveaway for 5 minutes only because I really gotta go. So we're gonna give away any size evaluation. So you're just gonna get a code. And I'm the OG of giveaways with this, by the way. I pay for all the giveaways. This is the second time I got a code. There's only one code. And you guys don't pay attention. Like the bot's not even live yet, and you guys are typing in, and you're gonna have to retype everything over. So yeah, you guys don't like to listen. But it's okay. Damn, you guys suck. You guys don't listen. You should be all disqualified. Unreal, guys. Now you can enter. I know the I do have to leave at noon. So they're working on the code, so hopefully I'll get the code, but if not, whenever I get the code, I'll send it. Um, Is this gonna break down? Nope. I want to get to $400 on the day and I'll be happy. Oh, I had it. Come on. Here we go. I should go. Really? We'll take that. 436, 830, 878 in 2 days. It's good progress on that account. Make sure I flip this account. 26, 24. Of course, now it wants to go. This flip is turning into a loss, I think. I'll take a loss of $200. Whatever, it's not a big deal. This account has a lot of cushion in it, and at least it won't count as a flip. That's gonna count as a trading day. Yeah, just a very like I was long. Why would I go short? You know. It's crazy how I couldn't get 2 ticks. If I tried to do a 2-tick stop loss, I would get stopped out 100 out of 100 trades. Why couldn't I get a move like this whole entire time? Bunch of bullshit this market is. Really, guys, bunch of bullshit. Nah, not shorting again. That account's at 3,500. I'm not losing more than that. You guys have 1 minute to enter. The giveaway is gonna happen in the next couple minutes. Tom, you're done. You are done for today, my friend. See you tomorrow, Tom. What an annoying trade. Honestly, like Couldn't get, that was a flip. Why do I keep flipping on minis? Flip on micros, Chris. All right, guys, giveaway time. I gotta go. I got to go. $30 seconds. Good luck, everyone. And the giveaway is done. All right, we're gonna pick a winner because I really have to go, guys. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is JMH. Are you here, JMH? It's crazy how this market all of a sudden just became violent. Like, my God, that was the worst $200 lost ever. Shoot me an email with your screenshot of your YouTube. And as soon as I get the code, I'll email it to you. I'm still waiting for the code. Congrats. Thanks for the giveaway, Apex. Michael from Apex. Damn, what a shitty way to end the month. I have not had a red day in a while, though. So we'll take that as a plus. Yeah, so if we go back, I don't think I had a red day since I started posting on here. 227. This was a break-even day. Even this day I blew the account. Still green. Yeah, literally no red days since I started posting in here. Did Apex give me a code? Yep. Not yet though. They're gonna give it to me. But they're gonna give me a bunch of codes for 15,000 giveaway. 15,000 subscribers. All right, guys, I gotta go. So I gotta get something to eat really quick before my crazy afternoon. Happy Easter, everyone. I'll see everyone tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow for a little bit. Market's closed, but we'll hang out probably like 10 o'clock, 10:30 maybe. Depends how late I play Call of Duty tonight. All right, guys. Unfortunately, I gotta end the stream. Got some stuff to take care of on the business end. I wish, like, even like next week on the Friday, the 5th, I'm so stressed because I'm short-staffed. I have 2 guys that can't work. Like, trading is stressful, but all the stress is in your control. Like, it's all on you. Like, if you mess up, it's on you. If something happens, on you. Like, DJing, it's like I have to rely on other people as well, and it's like that's what makes it more stressful. JMH, I got your email, and I'll send you the code as soon as I get it. All right. So they're working on it, and they're gonna give it to me. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, I gotta go. This is why I started saying goodbye half hour ago, because I knew how long it takes me to say goodbye, and now I'm gonna be running late. And yesterday I was late to get the car, but if you're just tuning in, I did order my dream car yesterday, so it's a great Easter weekend, and the car is gonna be here July 19th. So we're gonna follow the journey. I'm gonna get a login. I'm gonna be able to see the car at the factory being built once it gets there. So can't wait for that. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow for a little bit. Hit the notification so that way you know when I go live, because tomorrow is Friday, Good Friday, and the markets are closed. So the markets will be closed tomorrow. So I'll do a quick stream tomorrow just to hang out and do more like a Sunday vibe stream where it's gonna be more Q&A and just hang out. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see if Nutty wants to do a collaboration stream actually, but he said he might be playing golf. So much appreciated, guys, and yeah. Later, guys.